Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you the best deals I grabbed at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items, which is over $80 worth of products, for like $2. So of course, if you've seen my channel before, you know I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did each of these deals, what coupons I used, and what cash back apps I used. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. So glad you're here. My channel focuses on helping people save money, and so I post different ways to do that, including the best deals going on at different stores. So this week I have posted a Walgreens video, a CVS video, and a Target video. So if any of those are your stores, definitely check those out as well. Okay, so let's jump straight into the deals because as you can see, there are a bunch of them. So let's start with some deals that anyone can do using the coupons.com app. So pick up this 2-pack of Airwick warmers, priced at $3.48. Then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $3.98 back, making it completely free and a 51-cent moneymaker. So let me tell you a couple other deals you can do just with that coupons.com app. While you're on that same aisle, grab one of the Airwick 1-count warmers. These are priced at $1.98. The coupons.com app has a rebate for $1.99 back, making it completely free and a 1-cent moneymaker. Now, I say cash back. The coupons.com app is actually a coupon, not technically a rebate. So you cannot use additional coupons when purchasing these products. So if you had like the freebie coupon from this week's inserts, you could use either that coupon or submit your coupon to, or submit your receipt to the coupons.com app. You could not do both. All right, the last deal is on the Johnson's Baby Bar found over in the baby section. These are priced at 98 cents. I'm going to tell you two different ways to do this deal. The first way is just to buy it, pay 98 cents, submit your receipt to coupons.com app, and get $1 back, making it a 2-cent moneymaker. Now, as you can see, I have two of them because I also purchased one and I used the $2 coupon from this week's inserts, making this not only free, but $1.02 moneymaker. So while we're talking about non-food products, let me go ahead and cover those for you real quick. These deals that I'll tell you about now use the Shopkick app. So Shopkick allows you to earn what they call kicks or points for the items that you buy, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards. So I literally redeem them for Walmart gift cards and use those gift cards to pay for the stuff that I get in hauls like this. So I grabbed this Suave deodorant. Again, the offer's still there. This is $1.18. Shopkick is giving back 300 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.20, making it completely free and just a little bit of a moneymaker. With Shopkick, every 250 kicks is equal to $1. If you're not using the app yet, grab it using my referral code SWC5 and you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. And there are so many great Shopkick deals this week. I'll tell you about the non-food items now, and then I'll talk to you about the food stuff here in just a little bit. This Curad offer is still there. These wraps, thanks to you guys, I know, are found over in like the sporting goods section. These are priced at $1.97. Shopkick has an offer for $2 back, making it completely free. The last non-food Shopkick item I did was on this 7th generation dish soap. It's priced at $2.82. Shopkick has an offer for $2.50 back, making this thing of dish soap just 38 cents. Now, let's talk about another dish soap offer. And hopefully all of this stuff doesn't fall down when I pull these down. The Palmolive Shake and Clean Dish Soap Starter Kit. These are just $2.53 each. The Swag Bucks app has an offer for $5 back when you buy 2 of them. So 253 times 2 is 506. You get $5 back, making them both 6 cents or just 3 cents each. So if you're curious how Swag Bucks works, I do have a complete tutorial on YouTube. So if you just type in the YouTube search bar, Saving with Christina Swag Bucks, it will pop up for you, and I walk you through exactly how to use the app, as well as a link that will get you an additional $3 when you scan your first receipt. Okay, the last couple of non-food items involve the Ibotta app. This Estraven is $10.88. There is a $5 rebate on the coupons.com app, as well as a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making this product just 88 cents. Now, one, I did this deal because I wanted to be able to show you guys, but also doing some of these lower cost deals on Ibotta gets us closer to our midweek bonus, which I hit this week, which was $5 back when I redeemed 15 offers. So I got an additional $5 back because I did 15 Ibotta deals. So it makes all of this stuff like a moneymaker, and that's amazing. But the other deal I did with Ibotta is on the 1x Poise. So these are $5.46 each. There were $3 coupons in this week's inserts. You could also grab a coupon over on the Poise website. So I paid $4.92 after 2 of the $3 coupons at the register. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta and check and see if you have this rebate. It is $3 back on each of them. So that makes your final cost completely free and $1.08 moneymaker. Now, double check your Fetch Rewards app because you might also see an offer on the 1x Poise products there, and if so, you might score an even better deal. While we're talking about Ibotta, let me tell you a few more Ibotta deals you can do. Of course, if you're not using that app, it is an amazing app. It's been around forever, one of my favorites. Grab it using my referral code and you'll score an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. Now, I am excited about a couple of these deals. One is this Luigi's Italian Ice. I'm not gonna lie, I've never tried these before, but they look delicious, so I'm hoping they are, because I love like the frozen lemonade kind of thing. But these are $2.98. There was a $1 coupon in the May 8th save insert. So if that's something that you get the newspaper insert coupons, grab that $1 coupon. You'll pay $1.98 at the register, but then Ibotta has a $1.25 rebate, making this box just 73 cents. So I'm excited to try this product. I'm gonna set this down here. The other Ibotta deal, these perfect snacks, I finally found this at my store. They're $2.28, getting back $2.29 on Ibotta, making it completely free. I noticed this morning when I woke up, there was this offer for toothpaste. I was not able to grab it last time because the offer went away before I was able to make it to the store, but I'm going to try to sneak over there later today and grab that since I've never tried that kind of toothpaste before. If you've tried it, let me know what you think, but definitely clip that coupon quickly because a lot of times those freebies go really, really fast. Let's go back to Shopkick and talk about the food deals using Shopkick. I mentioned this last week. The deal is still there. It's on the Sara Lee deli meat. There's an offer for $2.04 back on Shopkick. So what I did is I got a 1/4 pound of the turkey, and I have them always sliced it like super, super thin, especially if you're only getting a 1/4 pound. That way you don't get like one slice of meat. But I paid $2.08 for this, getting back $2.04 on Shopkick, making my final cost just 4 cents for this deli meat. Great price. Also, if you want some ground turkey, you can get this honeysuckle turkey for $3.16. The Shopkick app has a rebate for $1.06 back, making your final cost just $2.10. And if you're sitting there thinking, I have no idea how to use the Shopkick app or even what it is, I do have a full tutorial on that one as well that you can find on my channel. Now, I also ran to grab this deal because this is an amazing deal on a big bag of cereal. So this is the 33-ounce bag. There were a number of Shopkick offers on the different sizes of the Multi-Meal cereals, but this one right here was $5. The Shopkick rebate that I did gave me $4.04 back, making my final cost for this big bag of cereal just 96 cents. Okay, let's talk about one more app, the Zardy app. We've talked about this for the last few weeks. Zardy is an app where you buy a product, you get points for scanning the product, you get points for buying the product, and then you get significantly more points for answering some questions about the product just after you buy it, and then again about a week later. So overall, I think it is completely worth it. You have to decide for yourself if it's worth it for you, but I do want to tell you about the different deals that you can do this week with the Zardy app. Now, last week I mentioned that the top 3 point earners for the week get a bonus with Zardy, and I was trying for it. At one point I was in place number 4. By the end of Sunday, I was in place like 32. I mean, I dropped way down. I wasn't even close to winning. So I'm not sure how these people are getting as many points as they're getting. I would love to know. So if you're one of those like top earning people, let me know what you're doing because I want to be able to do it. And clearly I didn't this last week. So we'll see if I try again. But let me tell you about some of the amazing deals that they're having this week. The freebies and moneymakers. So the Snickers bar, these up by the register are 98 cents. Zardy app is giving back $1.25, making this not only free, but a 27-cent moneymaker. So same kind of thing with the broccoli. This broccoli, 98 cents. Zardy gave me back $1.25 for scanning it, buying it, and answering those questions, making it free and a 27-cent moneymaker. Now, I also grabbed products that I thought my family would use for groceries. So like this milk right here. This milk is priced at $2.56. I grabbed the half gallon. You can get the gallon if you want. But Zardy gave me $1.35 back for buying it, making my final cost for this half gallon of milk just $1.21. So this is really helping out with like some of the staple type groceries like milk and eggs. The eggs I got, these are now $2.65 for a dozen. Zardy gave me back $1.39, making this dozen of eggs just $1.30. And I'm thinking, do y'all remember when like Walgreens and Walmart, all these stores used to do like $1 per dozen? I remember those days, especially right around Easter when people are dyeing eggs. I haven't seen eggs that cheap in a while. Okay, the Crescent Rolls, these were a freebie last week and then popped up again this week. They're priced at $1.14, getting back $1.54 on the Zardy app, making it completely free and a 40-cent moneymaker. I think the last one that I have is the half and half. This is $1.28 regularly. Zardy was giving back 95 cents, making the final cost just 33 cents. Now, those were all the Zardy offers that I did this week. The last item that I have up here is an item that I did either last week or the week before, but the offer came back. It's on the Checkout 51 app. So that's an older app. I don't do a lot of offers there. But I did do this one because it's on the Atkins protein chips. These are found with like, in my store, it's by the pharmacy. It has like protein powders and protein bars, protein shakes. These chips were priced at $1.98. The weird thing is they were tagged $2.28, but they rang up $1.98 when I scanned them at the register and when I scanned them in my app. So $1.98, getting back $2 on the Checkout 51 app, and it was a limit of 2. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 more bags for free. I've yet to try them. Honestly, this doesn't sound appealing to me. So if you've tried them, let me know if they're any good. Otherwise, I'm just going to pack them up and donate them because I don't see that as something that I would eat. Now, I told you I got the midweek moneymaker bonus from Ibotta. So after that, everything ended up being just short of $2, which is ridiculous. Y'all, that's just ridiculous and amazing. So is it worth my time to do this? I 100% think so. I feel really good that I'm able to snag groceries and necessities for my family for just pennies on the dollar. Now, I hope y'all are having a great week. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I'm going to post pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. I noticed a lot of socks, shoes, and underwear were on clearance. Like shoes priced at $1, underwear priced at 50 cents. And so I messaged my girlfriend who runs the clothing closet for our local school district. And I'm like, hey, do you want these? Because I can buy a bunch and we can donate them to the clothing closet. And thankfully she was near her phone and responded and said, yes, absolutely, we need them. Grab up to like 100 pair or something. So I didn't get that many, but I love being able to be in the right place at the right time with the right skill set to be able to donate and do things like that for my local community. All right, y'all have an amazing week and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.